Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be going through Nan Hua WA2 PSLE Science. This is question number 38. Adam brought a rubber band propeller toy car as shown in the diagram below. He had to rotate the blade of the car up to twist the rubber band. This is the action taken before releasing and allow it to move forward. So I will show you the exact item over here and I'll answer part A. So as mentioned in the question, right, which part of the car possessed potential energy after the blade was turned? So after the blade was turned, right, it's when it after the blade was turned, right, this part actually become twisted. Okay, so only when the rubber band is twisted, then it will possess potential energy. So the part that is that possess potential energy or store potential energy must be the twisted rubber band. So you need to write the word twisted. So because if it's not twisted, it is untwisted. Okay, it will not possess any potential energy. It will just be a rubber band. Okay, so do recall that the potential energy, right, is possessed by an object, right, only if it's being stretched, compressed, or twisted. It must be done. Okay, so so that the object that we are talking about, or the elastic object that we are talking about, will possess that form of energy. If it's not twisted, not stretched, not compressed, it will not have potential energy. As mentioned previously, the part of the toy car that possess potential energy will be your twisted rubber band. Okay, if you write rubber band, it's not going to be accepted. Okay, if you write rubber band, because the object must be twisted in order for it to possess potential energy. Now we move on to part 2 or part B. Without pushing the toy car, what could Adam do to increase the speed of the toy car? Explain your answer. Actually, there's many things you can do. Okay, one thing to make it to move faster, right? Or to make the speed move faster, right? You know that this is this when the toy car moves, it possesses potential kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is due to the mass and the speed. So in order to increase the, you are trying to increase the speed, you are trying to increase kinetic energy. So you are trying to increase the kinetic energy of the toy as a whole. So you must go back. This kinetic energy come from where? Come from the elastic potential energy, okay, which is the rubber band. So you think about it, what can you do to the rubber band to make sure that it has more elastic potential energy? So you do twist a few more times, twist more time. You can add one more rubber band, more elastic potential energy, or more rubber band, more twisted, more elastic potential energy. Or you can use a stiffer rubber band, but you must twist it to the same extent. Okay, or turns. Okay, you must twist to the same extent. And the last one will be use a lubricant. So these three things will be focusing on energy. The last one over here will be focusing on force. So this can be a force or energy question because it is not being stated. Okay, I'll insert a video down there to show you how this works when you twist more time. So as you can see, I really twisted the toy car to a great extent. So upon releasing the blade, right, the elastic potential energy, right, will be converted into kinetic energy that allow the toy car to move forward. Then it will move at greater speed. As shown in the video, so the rubber band will possess more elastic potential energy, which can be converted to more kinetic energy, enabling the toy car to move faster. This could be one way, or another way, you put some lubricant such as your oil, water, okay, then there will be less frictional force between the wheels and the ground, enable the toy car to move faster with the same amount of force applied to it. So this will be the way to answer this question. So let me zoom in out. Okay, thank you very much.